What was the last problem that we did? It was problem number 19, I think so, no? Yes. Problem number 20. The simplified value we have recorded. Started. Thank you. The simplified value of 2 log 5 to the base 10 plus log 8 to the base 10 minus half log 4 to the base 10 is half, 4, 2, none of the above. So now let us just write that once. Question number 20. What is the page number? 34. We'll take up that. Soumya, I require a help from you. Can you do that?
Yes, sir.
See, there is one student by name Manimala. She joined only today because she had
Okay, sir.
she had her semester examination. She is joining today. She has
Mhm.
got problem in attending to, that is joining the class. I will send her number. Can you call and or I will ask her to call you. Is it
Ah,
okay?
okay, sir. Okay, sir. I will call her, sir. You just please give her number.
நான் வந்து நம்பர் அனுப்புறேன், அவளோட நம்பர் அனுப்புறேன்.
Okay, sir.
See, the problem is that I can't take class as well as give instruction as how to join. See, students join at the time of 9:30. If they are new to the class, they could have just joined 5-10 minutes earlier. So the problem is that they don't know the difficult moments of class taking faculty. Value of two log 5 plus log 8 minus half log 4 all to the base 10. It is log 25 into 8 divided by 2. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
4. So it is log 100, which is equal to 2. Log 100 C. Correct? Got it?
Yes, sir.
21. Soumya? I think she's helping. Next one. Log 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus x squared minus to the power minus 1 and whole to the power minus 1 to the whole to the power of minus half can be written as, I think we have just done this before, right? In indices we have done. Hmm. Okay.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, I called and talked with her. She
Uh,
was unable to get into this meeting. She said she tried thrice, but she was unable to get into this. I asked her to try this through laptop. So she's saying to me that she's trying.
இப்போ என்ன லேப்டாப் இல்லையா?
சார் லேப்டாப்ல ஏதோ ப்ராப்ளம் அப்படின்னு சொன்னா நீங்க ஒரே இதை ட்ரை பண்ணி பாருங்கன்னு சொன்னேன். ட்ரை பண்றேன்னு சொன்னாங்க.
ம்.
அவங்க ஃபோன்ல ட்ரை பண்ணும்போது அது வரலையா சார்?
லேப்டாப்ல தான் வரும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். இல்லை, பட் வாட் ஐவ் டன் டு ஒன் ஆஃப் த ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் இன் துபாய், he tried only in mobile, that worked better than laptop. Anyway, so only one problem we have done. So this was the problem that we have done. So just check up with the result. So it is log 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus x squared to the power minus 1 minus 1 to the whole power minus half. So like the same what we have done for indices, we can do that. Correct? Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Sorry, it's not correct. It is 1 minus x squared minus 1. So it will be 1 minus x squared, right? So this is minus 1. You can put it this way. Now it will be 1 plus 1 minus x squared divided by x squared. Correct? And minus 1 we have eliminated. So this will become log x squared plus 1 minus x squared divided by x squared. Correct? Minus half. These two will get cancelled. Correct? Log x squared rough. Now it is going to be log x b. Right? You got it?
Yes, sir.
Now it is 22. What is it you have for 22? The simplified value of log to the fourth root of 729, and into it you have cube root of 9 to the power minus 1 multiplied by 27 to the power of minus 4 by 3. Yes, log 3, log 2, log half, and none of the above. So, what is the answer for this particular question? So, I got log 3 as A. How it has got to be taken up? Always remember the one that is the innermost should firstly be focused. Firstly, let us just read it out. The rest note it down. Fourth root of 729 to the cube root of 9 to the power minus 1 into 27 to the power of minus 4 by 3. Correct? So, the one that we would like to focus is only on this. The rest of the matter we will keep it the same. Fourth root of 729 into cube root of 1 divided by 9 into 1 divided by 27 to the power 4 by 3. Correct? So 27 to the power 4 by 3 is equal to 3 to the power 3 into 4 by 3. 3 cancelled. It is 3 to the power 4. I think shall just come. Yes, Manimala, you are always welcome. Can you see the screen? கேக்குதுங்களா? Can you hear me? I think there could be a problem from their side. So anyway, if you are understanding it, it is okay. 27 to the power 4 by 3 is equal to 3 to the power 4. And 9 can be taken up as 3 to the power 2. So, fourth cube of this 729 also can be worked out. Remember of the other day we have noted down 2 to the power from 2 to the power up from 1 to 10 we have noted. From 3 to the power 10 we have noted. Where this 729 is appearing? Shreya? So only on your request we have just done that. What is that? 3 to the power 6 is equal to 3 to the power 6. So 3 to the power 6 into 1 to the power 1 divided by 3 to the power 2 into 1 divided by 3 to the power 4. This portion alone to the power 1 by 3. Correct? So fourth root of 3 to the power 6 into 1 divided by 3 to the power 6 into 1 by 3. Fourth root of 3 to the power 6 into 1 divided by 3 to the power 2. Correct? This will become 3 to the power 4. This will be written as 3 to the power 4 to the whole power of 1 by 4. So therefore, this becomes, in all these places we have forgotten to put log there. Log of. See, actually this is an indices problem. They have just simply put log there. Manimala, can you just hear me?
Yes, sir.
Oh, you are there. Very good.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Yes. Right. It is log 3 it is. Hmm? Log 3 is A. It is problem number 22 we have completed. Problem number 23 we will take up. Log A to the base B into log B to the base C into log C to the base A to the whole cube is equal to 3, 0, 1, none of the above. These are all changing base when you take up. These two together will become log A to the base C multiplied by log C to the base A. What will be the answer? It will become 1. So it is item number C. So basic property when you apply, you just get the answer. Question number 23. Log A to the base B into log B to the base C into log C to the base A equal to, I just take these two together and arrive at log BB. I will cancel log A to the base C into log C to the base A will once again it will become 1. Either you cancel C and you have log A to the base A or log C to the base C, it will always become 1. So answer to this question is 1. That is item number C. In one line we can finish it off. Question number 24. Logarithm of 64 to the base 2 into square root of 2 is 2, square root of 2 or half or none of the above. So what is the answer for this? Answer what you get is 4. I think so. Am I right? So none of the above is correct. So now let us just take up log 64 where the base is 2 square root of 2 which is equal to log 8 squared 2 to the base, that is 2 into square root of 2 which is equal to 2 log 8 2 square root of 2. See, we have already done this sort of exercise. 8 will always be reported as 2 square root of 2 to the square. Correct? And this 2 will go to the front. So it will automatically become 4. Correct? So this portion becomes 1. So when you have the value and the base remaining the same, so the value, log value is going to be 1. So 4 into 1 which is equal to 4. And we find 2 square root of 2 half and none of the above. So since 4 is not a specified answer, so I got to choose none of the above. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
So question number 25. Question number 25 was the question which was asked by Shreya. She had a doubt, but she got herself cleared on to this. The value of log 8, sorry, log 25 to the base 8 given log 2 to the base 10 which is equal to 0.3010. How do we go about? Say whenever a piece of information is given, there are only very few properties that we have. In majority of the cases, log A of A is equal to 1. This is one common thing that we have got to use. The other one is that shift this into a common base. Common base will normally be log to the base 10. Log 25 divided by log 8. Matter over. Here itself, you have drawn the solution. So you are just getting into the right track. So this becomes easier to crack. So log, where it is log 5 squared divided by log 2 cube. This will be rewritten as 2 log 5, 3 log 2. Correct. Then the moment when you are entering into 5 and the other one being 2, try to introduce 10 into the progress. That is between 5 and 10. I would like to bring out some commonality. That is, I want to bring about something in common. 2 log 10 by 2 divided by 3 log 2. Correct. So this will bring about 2 log 10 minus log 2. Correct. Divided by 3 log 2. This log 10 becomes 1. 2 into 1 minus 0.3010, and I know 3 into 0.3010. So it becomes 1 minus 0.3010 into 2 divided by 3 divided by 0.3010. So that gives you 1.5842. 1.5482 comes as item number C. So this, of course, a little bit of challenge is involved. So where that challenge is involved is that here, from here to here, when you convert, there lies the challenge. If you are in a position to crack it, then it is fine. So with that, the first chapter is coming to an end. So we can proudly say all the worked out illustration and book back questions except test bank. There is question bank we have solved. Question bank is the assignment. I think Aravind that completed. How about Shreya? Going to complete tomorrow. Day after tomorrow. How about Sanjana, Soumya and Manimala about the question bank that we have, some 97 questions that we have. I want you people to submit. How you submit? Hard copy, you don't have to just do that. So even Sanjana was just finding it difficult. So in your notebook, take a screenshot from your through your mobile and convert it into PDF and send it as one document. So maybe if 100 questions were to run for many pages, so break it into 4 or 5 installments and send. So that is the way I want your commitment up. So that of course you people can do is what I feel like. Is that possible, Sanjana?
Yes, sir.
Soumya?
My network. When can you repeat it?
So what you do is, what Aravind is doing, let me tell you, he had sent and even Shreya also had sent before for indices. For indices, what they do is that in their notebook, so like how I have just done yesterday, a photo that is from your mobile, you can take pictures and collect that as one group and send it by PDF. Through mobile, it is possible. Am I right? So the process as how it is to be done. Arvind, can you tell us what is the process? I do not know how to make it as modify. So can you just tell? So Arvind will explain. So please just listen to him.
So, I mean, am I audible?
Yes.
So, I mean, I'm just using Adobe PDF Creator, so it's quite easy to do it. I mean, you have to take the PDF, then arrange it. I mean, take the pictures first. Then, if you want to edit it, you can edit it, and then just get it into PDF. I think Adobe is better than anything else. So, Adobe would do so.
Say step number one, as how it is to be done in a classroom. I would say step number one: take a photograph with a good light on. Take a photograph and arrange it in Adobe, and that will bring out one document, and that you set. Is it okay? Manimala, do you have any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Huh?
No, sir. I cleared, sir.
Okay, you got it cleared. So how about Soumya? Can you send it like that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, now a new topic is coming up. See, I never expected that today is going to be a class that I will be taking up on to a new topic. Never I expected. In the morning, at about 7 o'clock, she made a call and she said she is not well. I said, please take care of your health. That is very important. Then I was already ahead of 2, 3 topics, and therefore there is no surprise for me. So I could just take it up. So equation by itself cannot be introduced with a lot of suspense to it, and equation is basically known to everybody. See, I remember in my high school, the teacher had introduced equation as this way. She never conveyed it as what is an equation. So she asked us, tell what do you understand from equation. So we started telling this way, there will be one left hand side, one right hand side, and all that. Then she said, we have done like this. Which one is right hand side and which is left hand side? So we have done that in proportion also. Proportion in which we had two equations. That is, in one line we had this. So you can't say left hand side and right hand side as a property of equation. Then what else? So let me introduce to you. I think I've just made once a reference about that. Yes, Arvind, what do you understand from equation? Shreya, correct. That was the point she conveyed. I do not know as whether I have conveyed this. This was the point. The presence of equal to sign is to be taken as equation. What is that you expect in equation to be present? Equal to sign. So it is not left hand side and right hand side is a matter. If I find equal to sign, then it is equation. Correct? So in the very first page itself, I will just show you. We have definition of equation, application of equation. Under that, quadratic equation, methods of solving three linear equations with three variables. Simultaneous equation with two unknowns and simple equation. And methods of solving three linear equations with three variables. Nature of the roots, construction of quadratic equation, roots of the quadratic equation, methods of solution, and cross multiplication method, elimination method, all that we will be taking up. So here, so simple equation in which they start with this way. Linear equation is what they start with. What do you mean by linear equation? There will be one unknown variable and it will always be to the power of 1. Then when you have quadratic equation, you have one variable, but it will have x to the power 2 as well as x to the power 1. And with a constant or with or without constant, you would have cubic equation. What is this cubic equation? A variable where it will have that variable to the power 3 as well as 2 as well as 1 with or without constant, and you will have some value on the right hand side. Then in the case of simultaneous equation, we have two variables. So we have a basic necessity in simultaneous equation is that when we have two unknowns, when they are put into two variables, in order to solve the problem, we require two equations. So now let me just make the basics clear. So point number 1, presence of equal to sign brings into fact an equation. So equal to sign and equation are synonymous. You can take it like that. The presence of equal to sign brings into fact an equation. So equal to sign and the equation are synonymous. We have in equation linear, quadratic, cubic and simultaneous. In all these cases, single variable, say x. Here, two or more variables x, y, z, etc. Here it is going to be a square matrix. Here it is going to be a square matrix. What do you mean by square matrix? So number of rows equal to number of columns. That is, two variables would mean two equations. Three variables equal to three equations. That is a way, that is a basic rule. So in the case of linear, variable x to the power 1. In quadratic, variable, single variable only, x to the power 2, x to the power 1, with or without constant. With or without constant. Unknowingly, in chapter number 1 itself, we have employed equation. Agreed? Unknowingly, in every topic in mathematics, we will use equation. Am I right? Imagine that equal to sign should not be used would mean mathematics cannot be solved. To every basic topic on mathematics, we will have equation. So equation by itself, we are having one topic now. So therefore, it requires no big introduction. Straight away, we can jump into solving problems. So in fact, in our institute study material, they have given the example for linear equation. Linear equation where they given as 16x minus 24 equal to 0. Quadratic sorry 16x था 3x squared plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Cubic 4x cube plus 3x squared plus x minus 7 equal to 1. So this they could have done as taking to the other side as 8. So best is you can shift it to the left hand side and put on the other side on a consistent note equal to 0. Then simultaneous equation x plus 2y equal to 1, 2x plus 3y equal to 2. So this is simultaneous equation with two unknowns. Are you making note?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
How about Manimala? Are you in a position to understand an online class today being the very first class for you?
Yes, sir. I understand.
Okay, good. So please introduce about yourself to other members. Other members also, please introduce yourself to Manimala. So let me just tell for whatever extent that I know she's into second year, Amma,
Yes,
BCom.
sir.
So it's better that you
Yes, sir.
introduce yourself. Come on.
Okay, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, friends. I am Animala. I am from Tuticorin. I am pursuing my college BCom degree in APC Mahalakshmi College for Women Tuticorin.
Good.
My father is running the travels. My mom is a housewife.
How many members you have in your family? Brothers,
Totally 12,
sisters?
sir.
Totally 12.
Sir, I have not any brother and sister, sir. We are in
Hmm.
joint family, sir.
Okay, good. Who are all there in your home, at home? You tell.
Sir, uncle and auntie, sir.
Okay,
Two
and their
uncles and
children.
auntie.
Ah,
One uncle have 3 children, sir. Another uncle have 2 children, sir.
very nice to hear that. Lot of members, you will not have any problem in playing around. Am I right? During Corona times, you never had any problem of spending time. You would have had a lot of fun at home itself. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, let me tell you that this Manimala was following for this foundation class at least some 6 to 9 months. She was following quite constantly. So we could have had one batch earlier. So where faculty members were also fallen ill because of Corona. So we could not hold that particular class. And despite being in the, are you in the third semester or fourth semester?
Fourth semester, sir.
4th semester. Okay. So when is that examination getting over?
Sir, next week, Monday, sir. 18th July.
Okay, good, good. Right. Okay, Manimala. How about others? Arvind? Okay, some other time we will have introduction. Okay. So now let me just take it up. So along with you, we have Arvind, Shreya, Sanjana, and Soumya. Okay. So you are the
Okay,
fifth
sir.
person in the class. Okay. Now let us just take up on to example that we have. A simple equation has only one root. So 4x divided by 3 minus 1 equal to 14 by 15x plus 19 by 5. So finally the answer what they have just brought is 12. How this number has got to be taken up, how it has got to be solved. Let us just see. So example 4x divided by 3 minus 1 equal to 14 by 15x plus 19 by 5. So let us just bring all these matters to one side. 19 by 5 plus 1. So 15 is the common divisor. LCM is the lowest common multiple is 15 and 20x minus 14 into 3 14 into 3 42. This is 60. Lila 20. Here it is 5. Hmm? Correct, correct. 19 by 5 plus 5 by 5. Correct only. 6x by 15 equal to 24 by 5. Am I right? So this is going to be 2x equal to 24, x equal to 12. Am I right? Have you got it? Soumya, Manimala and Sanjana.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Manimala got it?
Yes, sir.
Right. So there is a first equation example that they have worked. Now let us just take up question number 1. Minus 7x plus 1 equal to 5 minus 3x. So what you can do is that take all these to one side, 7x minus 3x. So minus 4 equal to 4x, x equal to minus 1. Am I right? B. Please just confirm it. Arvind, is that right? X equal to minus 1? Option B. The root of the equation x plus 4 divided by 4 plus x minus 5 divided by 3 equal to 11. What is x? 12 LCM 3x plus 12 plus 4x minus 20 equal to 11. 7x minus 8 divided by 12 equal to 11. 7x minus 8 equal to 132. 132. 7x equal to 140. X equal to 20. Check it up. Yeah. Is it okay, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Soumya and Manimala, are you following?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right, good. X divided by 30 equal to 2 divided by 45. X equal to 2 divided by 45 into 30. 60 divided by 45. 4 divided by 3, which is equal to 1 and 1 by 3, which is item number C. Please confirm. Item number 4. X plus 24 divided by 5 equal to 4 plus x divided by 4. X plus 24 divided by 5 equal to 16 plus x divided by 4. 4x plus 96 equal to 80 plus 5x cross multiplication. 16 is equal to x. See, check it up. Sanjana, Soumya and Manimala, in case of any difficult moments, please let me know. These are all linear equation where they are very simple to apply. I hope that you people can easily understand this. Shall we proceed to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Super. The 8 is a solution of this particular equation. This is a little different question. See, how to solve this problem is that I will substitute in the place of x 8 and I will check up. If for a it is 8 plus 4 divided by 4 plus 8 minus 5 divided by 3. So where I just get 12 divided by 4 is 3 and plus 3 divided by 3 is 1. So which is equal to 4. So not correct. Right. So B. I am not getting 8 as the answer. So here it is 8 plus 4 divided by 2 plus 8 plus 10 divided by 9. So 12 divided by 2 is 6. 8 plus 10, 18 divided by 9 is 2, which is equal to 8. So B is the answer. I don't have to even check up for item number C and D. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So absolutely, sometimes we may have to go for substitute with the available variables and we have to proceed like that. 6. The value of y that satisfies the equation is y plus 11 divided by 6 minus y plus 1 divided by 9 equal to y plus 7 divided by 4. So I just don't like this minus. I will try to negate it. So I will place y plus 11 divided by 6 on the left hand side, y plus 7 divided by 4 plus y plus 1 divided by 9. So LCM between 4 and 9 is 36. So 9y plus 63 plus 4y plus 4. Here it is y plus 11 divided by 6. So what I would like to do is that 6 and 36, I will make this as 6. So y plus 11 equal to 13y plus 67, right? So I would like to take this 11 to the other side. This will become 11 to this side, and it is 12y plus 56. So minus 56, and here it is 12y. Twenty 28, and it is 6, 14, and 3. See, none of this number is matching. So now let me just check it up once again. I think I would have gone wrong somewhere. 9y plus 63, 4y plus 4. 13y, right? 67 is also right. Y plus 11. 13y, so 12y. 56. 0 equal to 6y plus 28. 0 is equal to 3y plus 14 minus 14 equal to 3y. Y is equal to minus 14 by 3. Where did I go wrong? Whether my numbers were all correct. Let me check up. Okay, I went wrong in one place. I will tell you where. Here. 6 I have to take cross multiplication. No. 6y plus 66 equal to 13y plus 67. This is correct. Minus 7y equal to 1. Y is equal to minus 1 by 7. Am I right? It is item number D. I forgotten to take this 6. I have forgotten to take this 6 for cross multiplication. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Manimala, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Then item number 7. P plus 2 into P minus 3 plus P plus 3 into P minus 4 equal to 2 into 2P minus 5 is. So it is P squared plus 2P minus 3P plus, sorry, minus 6 plus P squared plus 3P minus 4P minus 12 equal to 4P minus 4P squared minus 5P. So let me repeat. P squared plus 2P minus 3P minus 6 plus P squared plus 3P minus 4P minus 12 equal to, this is not correct, 2p squared minus 5p. Now I would like to group this. I will cancel out. Correct. And 2p, 3p, hmm. Mhm. I will cancel out this. So we will end up with minus 2p. Am I right? Minus 18 equal to minus 5p. So 3p equal to 18, p is equal to 6. Correct? Which is A. Is that right? All of you? Sanjana, Manimala and Soumya.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
12x plus 1 divided by 4. 12x plus 1 divided by 4 equal to 15x minus 1 divided by 5 plus 2x minus 5 divided by 3x minus 1 is true for x equal to 1, x equal to 2, x equal to 5 and x equal to 7. Now let us just see which one is right. So 12x plus 1 divided by 4 minus 15x minus 1 divided by 5 equal to 2x minus 5 divided by 3x minus 1. So here we will take up 20, 5, 60x plus 5 minus 60x minus of minus plus 4 equal to 2x minus 5 divided by 3x minus 1. So 60x minus 60x will automatically get cancelled. 9 divided by 20 equal to 2x minus 5 divided by 3x minus 1. So cross multiply 27x minus 9 equal to 40x minus 100. So it is 91 equal to 13x. X equal to 7. 7 item number D. Come on, kindly just understand. In case of any difficult moments, you please let me know why we have just done. Let me tell you. See, this is divided by a constant, whereas this one is divided by constant. So birds of same feather should flock together. So therefore, I have shifted this portion alone from right hand side to left hand side, and that got me as 9 by 20. And the right hand side figures were taken as such. By cross multiplying it, I am getting x as 7. Is that right? You got it? X as 7, Sanjana, Soumya and Manimala. Are you following?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Soumya, are you there? Pick up the correct value for x, for which x divided by 0.5 minus 1 divided by 0.05 plus x divided by 0.005 minus 1 divided by 0005 equal to 0. What should be the value of x? Say, firstly, I just don't like all this. So many decimals. And all the numbers are in the denominator influenced by 5. So, how many decimals? I have 4 decimal value at which the lowest value I get. So, I have to multiply all this by on either side by 10,000. Am I right? 1000 or 10,000? How much is that? I want a whole number. 10,000 only. And 10,000, and I would like to take it as 50,000 on either side. Multiply on either side by 50,000. So it is 50,000 divided by 0.5x minus 1 divided by, sorry, 50,000 divided by 0.05. I'm sorry, I would like to do it this way. On multiply on either side by 5 divided by 10,000. Or in fact, it is 1 divided by 2,000 on either side. This will become x divided by 0.5 into 2,000. 1,000 minus 1 divided by 100 plus x divided by 10 minus 1 divided by 1 equal to 0. X divided by 1000 plus x divided by 10 equal to 1 plus 1 by 100. Correct? So it is 1000 x plus 100x equal to 100 plus 1 divided by 100. 2 zeros on either side will cancel. 101x equal to 101 into 10. So 101 on either side we are cancelling it off. X equal to 10. C. Please just check up. Are you understanding, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Soumya and Manimala?
Yes, sir.
Right. say now linear equation, simple equation, this area 2.2 is getting over. Now let us just take up on to illustration. The denominator of a fraction exceeds the numerator by 5, and if 3 be added to both the fractions, it becomes 3 by 4. Find the fraction. See, denominator of a fraction exceeds the numerator by 5. So how this has got to be understood? One numerator is there as x. Denominator of the fraction exceeds the numerator by 5. So therefore denominator should be 5 plus. So x divided by x plus 5 by 5. And if 3 be added to both the fractions, if b be added to both, means both numerator and the denominator, then that fraction becomes 3 by 4. So plus 3 equal to 3 by 4. Correct? All of you? How you got to understand and program it is very important. Are you understanding it?
Yes,
Manimala,
sir.
Soumya and Sanjana, are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
X
Yes,
plus
sir.
3, x plus 3 divided by x plus 8 equal to 3 by 4. 4x plus 12 equal to 3x plus 24. 1x equal to 12. The question what they have asked is find out the fraction. So the fraction is, the answer is not 12. Find out the fraction which is 12 divided by 17. Correct? All of you? Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Say Soumya and Manimala, for every problem when I say, have you
Yes, sir.
understood? Please just respond, because I can't take up silence as
Okay,
a
sir.
confirmation that you have understood. So understood means you have to only tell. Shall we
Okay,
proceed?
sir.
Right. Soumya, are you there? Next question. If thrice of A's age 6 years ago be subtracted from twice his present age, the result would be equal to his present age. Find A's present age. So understand the matter clearly. Don't go by the solution that they provide. If thrice of A's age 6 years ago be subtracted from twice his present age, the result would be equal to his present age. How do we crack it? How do we make a program? So, if the present age is to be kept as x, 6 years ago, it is going to be x minus 6. But in this case, what is that they have said? If thrice of A's age 6 years ago be subtracted from twice his present age, the result would be equivalent to his present age. How do we make a presentation? So this is the way a program should always be taken up. So let the present age is x. 6 years ago, the age would be x minus 6. Correct? Then 3 times 3 times of 6 years before would be 3 into x minus 6. Twice his present age. Twice the present age is equal to 2x. So from 2x, if you deduct 3x minus 6, you get the present age, that is equal to x. Am I right? Let the present age be x. 6 years ago, the age would be 6 minus 6. Sorry, x minus 6. 3 times of 6 years before would be 3 into x minus 6. Twice the present age is 2x. So what they have formed as an equation is, if thrice of A's age 6 years ago be subtracted, this 3x minus 6, if deducted from 2x, you get the present age. This is what we have just done. 2x minus 3x plus 6 equal to x. Take this x to minus 3x to the other side. 2x plus 6 equal to 4x. So 6 equal to 2x. This is going to be 18. Okay. So x equal to 9. Correct? All of you say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Illustration number 3. A number consists of 2 digits. The digit in the 10th place is twice the digit in the units place. If 18 be subtracted from the digits or reversed from the number, the digits are reversed. Find the number. See, a number consists of 2 digits number. The digit in the 10th place is twice the digit in the units place. If units place figure is x, 10th digits place will be 2x. If 18 is subtracted from the number, the digits are reversed. Okay. So how do we program it? If units digit number is x, then value in 10th digit is 2x. That is what they mean. Is 2 digits, the digit in the 10th place is twice. Correct. So therefore the present number is 2x plus x. Correct. And if 18 is deducted, If 18 is deducted, then it is 10x. I'm sorry, in this particular case, this is 20x because you are in the 10th digit, no? Or I will put it like this way, 2x into 10. So it is 20x. So is deducted, then it is x into 10 plus 2x. Correct? Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 20x plus x minus 10x plus 2x equal to 18. 21x minus 12x equal to 18. 9x equal to 18, x equal to 2. Find the number. That means my last digit, unit digit will end up with 2. Unit digit number. 10th digit number is twice that of unit digit. So therefore 10th digit number is 4. So the number is 42. Correct? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Soumya, are you understanding it?
Yes, sir.
A number consists of 2 digits. This is over. For a certain commodity, the demand equation giving demand D in kilogram for a price P in rupees per kilogram is D equal to 100 into 10 minus P. The supply equation giving the supply S in kilogram for a price P in rupees per kilogram is S equal to 75 into P minus 3. The market price is such at which demand equals supply. Find the market price and quantity that will be bought and sold. So here they have mentioned that the demand should be equivalent to supply. The demand equation they have given us 100 into 10 minus P. Supply, the equation is 75 minus 3. So they themselves have given the equation asking us to equate. This is question number 4. Demand D is equal to 100 into 10 minus P. Supply S equal to 75 into P minus 3. So when D is equal to S, what is P? So 100 into 10 minus P equal to 75 into P minus 3. It is 1000 minus 100P equal to 75P minus 225. 25p. Sorry. P is equal to 7. What is the question? What is the market price? And what is the quantity? P is equal to 7 and Q is equal to 300. So with that, 4 illustrations we have completed. Now we are entering into exercise B. Are you clear about this one, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Am I going fast or slow?
Correct speed, sir.
How about others, Manimala and Soumya?
Sir, medium, sir.
Medium. Okay. So exercise B 1. The sum of sum of two numbers 52 and their difference is 2. The numbers are, this is going to help us in bringing out factorization. In fact, not directly, where we will be taking a product and the difference. So here sum is 52, difference is 2. Okay, this requires a simple thing only. So I will tell you how fast you can work. 17 plus 15, it is not 52. So we will drop A. Then 12 and 10, sum is 22, we will drop. 27 and 25, yes, and the difference is also 2. See, you don't have to even work. Sometimes you can work in the reverse and get the answer fast. So answer is C. But always good to solve. So sum is x plus y equal to 52, x minus y equal to 2. So this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. 1 plus 2 equal to 2x equal to 54, x equal to 27. So this is item number 3. Substituting 3 in 1, x plus y equal to 52, 27 plus y equal to 52, y is equal to 25. That is the way we have answered to the first part of the question. Is that right? Shall I proceed to the next one?
Yes, sir.
2. The diagonal of a rectangle is 5 centimeter and one of at sides is 4 centimeter. Its area is 20 square centimeter, 12 square centimeter, 10 square centimeter, and none of the above. None of this. See, firstly, we should know the diagram. We should know the property. Only then we will be in a position to apply. What is a rectangle? Rectangle has got 4 sides. Two opposite sides will have equal measurement. This is a rectangle. The diagonal of a rectangle is 5 centimeter and one of the sides being 4 centimeter. So they are asking us to find out what is the area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle. How do we find out this area of the rectangle? Say now we will take up right angle triangle formula, Pythagoras theorem. What is that? So square of hypotenuse. என்ன சொல்வீங்க நீங்க? Square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. Five squared is equal to 4 squared plus x squared. 25 equal to 16 plus x squared. So 9 equal to x squared, x is equal to 3. So now I have got the answer as what could be the, say in fact ideally speaking, this should be 4 and this should be 3 because x is 3. Area of a rectangle is equal to a into b. 4 into 3, 12 square centimeters. Am I right? It is item number B. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Are you understanding, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Third question, divide 56 into two parts such that 3 times the first part exceeds 1/3 of the second part by 48. The parts are. So if you closely follow, you will get it. Divide 56 into two parts. That means x plus y equal to 56. Such that the 3 times the first part, 3x minus 1 by 3y equal to 48. Correct? Such that 3 times the first part exceeds 1/3 of the second part by 48. So whatever information that they give, you should be in a position to program it and form the equation. That is very, very important. Correct? X plus y equal to 56. 3x minus 1 by 3y equal to 48. So in fact, it is a simultaneous equation. 1 into 3. 3x plus 3y equal to 168. Equation number 2 into 1. 3x plus, sorry, minus 1 by 3y equal to 48. Please just confirm. 20 and 36. A. Please confirm. Are you clear? Sanjana,
Yes, sir.
Soumya and Manimala, are you all following me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So the sum of the digits of two-digit number is 10. If 18 be subtracted from it, the digits in the resulting number will be equal. The number is 37, 73, 75, none of the above. How under examination conditions you can do? So whatever properties that they tell, no. If you apply and test it, you will automatically get it. So sum of the two-digit number is 10. 37, yes, 37, but this is not correct. 73 is not correct. So now it is between A and B alone. If 18 is subtracted from it, the digits will be, there is from it, the digits in the resulting number will be equal. What is that? So 18 if deducted from 37, 19, no, 55. Now the answer in this particular question is B. Correct? So sometimes under examination conditions, you can work faster by using substitute methods rather than by solving it. But we will solve in the class. We will solve in the class, but under examination condition, it is running race. Better to be equipped that way also. How do we solve? X plus y equal to 10. If 18 is deducted from its digits, that is 10x plus y minus 18 equal to, what is that you would be doing? No, how do you know it is 55 beforehand? Okay. I will try alternative method also. So x plus y equal to 10. 10x plus y equal to, if you take it to the other side, it becomes 73. This is equation number 1 and 2. It is 2 minus 1 equal to 9x equal to 63, x equal to 7. Therefore, y is equal to 3. 73 is the answer. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Say how 55 has come. Aravind is telling, sir, 10 is known to me, half of which is 5. So therefore, I understand that my unit digit and 10 digit should be 5 and 5. It should be 55. But still, I find how this could be taken up. So So when they are equal, no, when you deduct from the other one, it becomes 0. That is what I'm just looking at as how we can make a presentation. But anyway, at this moment, under examination conditions, I told you a different way of approach that is easier. So for solving this, you can take it up. Item number 5. The fourth part of a number exceeds the sixth part by 4. The number is 84, 44, 48, and none of the above. Yes, Aravind, how did you do? Super. Say, the fourth part of a number, the fourth part of the number 1 by 4x minus 1 by 6x equal to 4. Good. So, the fourth part of a number exceeds the sixth part by 4. It is not about the digit. Let the number be x. Fourth part of a number is equal to 1 by 4x. Sixth part of a number 1 by 6x. So 1 by 4x minus 1 by 6x equal to 4. 4. So 24. 6x minus 4x equal to 4. Right. 2x divided by 24 equal to 4. X equal to 48. This is item number C. Sixth. 10 years ago, the age of a father. Are you clear about item number 5, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Are you clear, Manimala and Soumya?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
10 years ago, the age of a father was 4 times of his son. 10 years hence, the age of the father will be twice of his son. The present age of the father and the son are 50, 20, 60, 20, 55, 25, and none of the above. See, this sort of problems you can apply just like that. 10 years ago, father's age was 4 times of his son. 10 years hence, the age will be twice that of his son. Present age. So, present, past, and the future. One moment. Ten years ago, so let the age of dad is x. 10 years ago, x minus 10 equal to 4 times of his son y. 10 years hence, the age of the father will be twice that of his son. X plus 10 equal to 2y. Is that right? X minus 4y equal to 10. Mm, mm, yeah. Mm, mm, correct. I will put it this way. Age of dad is X. Present age, because the question did ask about present age. Present age of son as Y. So it is present, past, and hence. There is future. So for dad and for son, X minus 10, Y minus 10. X and Y. X plus 10, Y plus 10. Am I right? What did they mention? 10 years ago, X minus 10 was 4 times, correct. Then 10 years hence, X plus 10 equal to 2 into Y plus 10, correct. Let us simplify. X minus 10 equal to 4Y minus 40. X plus 10 equal to 2Y plus 20. So we will rewrite X minus 4Y equal to minus 30. X minus 2Y equal to 10. So 1 minus 2. Minus 2Y equal to minus 40. Y is equal to 20. Yes. Y is equal to 20. So this is item number 3. Substitute 3 in 1. X minus 4Y equal to minus 30. X minus 4 into 20 equal to minus 30. X minus 80 equal to minus 30. X equal to 50. So 50, 20. A. Is that right? It is A. For sixth one, it is A. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
How about Soumya and Manimala? Are you following?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The product of two numbers is. Are you noting down simultaneously the answers, the solution that I'm just drawing out?
Yes, sir.
Right. Item number 7. The product of two numbers is 3200 and the quotient when the larger number is divided by the smaller is 2. The numbers are say from the question itself, you will be in a position to substitute and get the answer. Say product of the two number is 3200. See 60 into 30 is 1800. So it will not fit. 80 into 40, 3200 correct. 160 into 220 is also correct. 16 into 200 is also correct. One item, odd man out, you have just taken up. The quotient when larger number is divided by a smaller number is 2. That means it should be twice. Smaller number should be half of the bigger number. Or you can say smaller number multiplied by 2 is bigger number. So it is 80, 40 is what we have got to understand. So now let us just take up x into y equal to 3200. X equal to 2 into y, or they say larger number when divided by smaller number it is 2. I assume that the larger number is x divided by y is equal to 2. So x equal to 2y. So therefore I will substitute 2 in 1. So 2y squared equal to 3200. Y squared is equal to 1600. Y is equal to 40. Y is equal to 40. Then this is item number 3, substituting 3 in 1. X into 40 equal to 3200, x equal to 80. So answer is A. Sorry, D. Extremely sorry, D. 80, 40. Am I right? We should be in a position to interpret the given information into equation, then solve it and make a good percentage. Shall we proceed? All of you, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The denominator of a fraction exceeds the numerator by 2 if numerator is x, denominator is x plus 2. If 5 is added to the numerator and the fraction increases by unity. So what do you mean by that? If 5 is added to the numerator, the fraction increases by unity. What do you mean by that? If I add 5, the fraction increases by unity by 1. So how do we take it up? Item number 8 is if numerator is x, denominator is x plus 5, sorry 2. So x divided by x plus 2. If 5 is added to the numerator, the fraction increases by unity. X plus 5 divided by x plus 2 minus x divided by x plus 2 equal to 1. This is the new fraction. This is the old fraction. This is the increase. Am I right? Say yes or no. By adding 5 to the numerator, it increases 1 by unity is what they have mentioned. So I find x by 2 is common to both. X by 2 common to both. X plus 5 minus x equal to 1. X and x getting cancelled. Now it is 5 divided by x plus 2 equal to 1. So 5 equal to x plus 2, x equal to 3. What is that question that they have asked? What is the fraction? So fraction is 3 divided by 3 plus 2, 5. 3 by 5. So 3 by 5. Item number D. Am I right? All of you say yes or no. Are you following?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Say I am just trying out the same way. If numerator is x, denominator is x plus 2. This is what we have first taken up. First fraction. Then they say if 5 is added, now this becomes new fraction. If 5 is inducted, then it increases by unity. That means it is 1. So new fraction minus old fraction is equal to 1. So by solving it, I just get x as 3 and they are asking what is the old fraction. That is 3 by 5. Am I right? So answer is 3 by 5. Are you clear about this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Item number 9. 3 persons, Roy, Paul and Singh together have rupees 51. Paul has 4 less than Roy and Singh has got 5 less than Roy. They have the money as 20, 16, 15, 15, 20, 16, 25, 11, 15. None of this. Fairly a very simple problem only. Say they have Roy, Paul and Singh. Roy when he has got X, Paul when he has got Y, Singh has got Z. Sum of all that comes to 51. Paul has 4 than that of Roy. Paul has 4 less than Roy. So Y equal to X minus 4. Correct? Then Singh has 5 rupees less than Roy. Z is equal to X minus 5. Correct? So everything you can equate it in X form. X plus X minus 4 plus X minus 5 equal to 51. 3x minus 9 equal to 51. 3x equal to 60. X equal to 20. Their numbers would be Roy will be having 20. Paul will be having 4 rupees less, 16. Singh will be having 5 rupees less. So 20 minus 4 and it is 20 minus 5, 15. The total of which comes to 51. So answer to this question is A. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Other two members, please tell me, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. A number, item number 10, a number consists of 2 digits. The digit in 10th place is 3 times the digit in the unit place. Correct. If 54 is subtracted from the digits, from the number, the digits are reversed. The number is 39, 92, 93, and 94. This sort of problem we have already solved. So, but you can easily just check up. So, 39, the digit in the 10th place is 3 times. That means 10th digit number should be greater than unit digit. So, therefore, you just don't find A as an alternative. And B cannot be the answer because they have said 3 times and all that when compared to the unit digit. So this is not fitting into that. So 93 is looking more appropriate. So if they are transposed, it becomes 39. So 93 minus 39, 54, item number C, you can take it off. But is this the way that we have got to solve? Answer to that question is no. We have got to solve it by choice and not by chance. So 2-digit number. So let 10th digit number is X and unit digit number is Y. So it is 10X plus Y is the value of a number. If the digits are reversed, minus 10Y plus X equal to 54. First and foremost thing is that they have mentioned that 10th digit number is 3 times of unit digit. So X equal to 3Y. Okay, this is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Tenth digit number is 3 times of unit digit. This is what we have just worked. So it is 10X plus Y minus 10Y plus, not plus, minus X equal to 54. So it is 9X minus 9Y equal to 54. 9 you can take up common, X minus Y equal to 54, X minus Y equal to 6. Now this we can take it up as refined number 2. This is number 1. Even this can also be taken up as X minus 3Y equal to 0. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. So 1 minus 2 minus 2Y equal to minus 6. Y is equal to 3. So this is item number 3, substituting 3 in 1. X equal to 9. So the number is 93. The number is 93. It is item number C. Are you understanding, all of you? So how it got cracked? Let me repeat. If 10th digit number is X, unit digit is y. They have mentioned that 10th digit number is thrice that of unit digit, so x equal to 3y. Then they have said if the items were transposed, the difference between the first number and the second number is 54. 10x plus y is the value for the first number. When it is transposed, it will become 10y plus x, and that when you deduct from the first number, it is 54. You release the bracket and find out second equation, x minus y is equal to 6. And by substituting all that, you get y as 3 and x as 9, and therefore the present number is 93. Are you understanding it?
Yes, sir.
So the very important portion is that understanding when I am solving it in the class is no big deal. But thing is that you have to do off your own. Question number 11. One student is asked to divide a half of a number by 6, the other half by 4. Then to add the two quantities. Instead of doing so, the student divides the given number by 5. If the answer is 4 short of the correct answer, then the number was 320, 400, 480, none of these. Now let us just go deeper into the subject. One student is asked to divide a half of a number by 6 and the other half by 4. Then to add the two quantities. Instead of doing so, the student divides the given number by 5. If the answer is 4 short of the correct answer, then the number is what? So prima facie it looks a little coiling, but it is not that. A number divided by half. That is asked to divide a half of a number by 6. Half of a number x, half x. Half x shall be divided by 6. What is the answer? X by 12. The other half by 4. The other half by 4. X by 8. Then to add the two quantities. 1 by 12x plus 1 by 8x equal to 1 by 12x plus, it is not x, plus 1 by 8x equal to, so it is 48. 48 is the LCM, no? 6x plus 4x. Huh? 10x plus 10x by 48. But instead of doing so, the student divides the given number by 5. Which given number? Huh? X by 5. Huh? X by 5, he is getting one value. And this value is correct value. Difference between the two is equal to 5. No, sorry, 4. 10x divided by 40 minus x by 5 equal to 4. Short is what they have just given. So dividing it by 5, doing that 5 short would mean your answer that you are doing it by dividing it by 5 is running short by 4. That means the original number is greater by 4. So now I would like to solve it from the beginning. Okay. So that you can easily follow. A given number is there. This is to be split into 2. Half x, half x. A student is asked to divide a half of a number by 6. Half x by 6. The other half by 4. And then to add quantities. So this is going to be 1 by 12x plus 1 by 8x, which is equal to 10 by 48x. Already we have discussed about that as how we have got it. Now let me just do that once again. No big deal. 48 correct? Mhm. Am I right? Hmm. Equal to 10x by 48. This is correct. What the student did, instead of doing, the student divides the given number by 5. X by 5. If the answer is short of the correct answer, ten x by 48 minus x by 5 equal to 4. Two 40 is the LCM. 50x minus is it 48x equal to 4? 2x divided by 240 equal to 4. X equal to 480. See, am I right? All of you? This I consider as a little, what should I say, extra bit of working. You need to visualize what they are trying to convey. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Soumya, you got it?
Yes, sir.
If a number of which the half is greater than 1/5 of the remainder by 15, then the number is, if a number of which the half is greater than 1/5 of the number by 15. So this is a little coily. You got to separate and then operate. If a number of which half is greater, x is a number, half is x by 2, is greater than 1/5 of the number x by 5. X by 2 is greater than x by 2, sorry, x by 5 by 15. What is that? X. 12. A number A number is x. A number of which is half is greater. Half x is greater than 1/5 of the number. By 1/5 of the number. By how much? 15. In this case, greater than, I will put it out as minus. Okay. Half x minus 1/5 of x equal to 15. Are you clear? You should not get frightened on seeing in one line itself they are bringing out everything. 10. 5x minus 2x, which is equal to 15. 3x equal to 150. X equal to 50. So half of 50 is 25. 1/5 of 50 is 10. 25 minus 10 is 15. Correct. 50 is correct. A. Are you understanding? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
at this stage, we are coming close to 12 known. In lieu of law, mathematics, we have taken up. Correctly, that just come close to 12. At this moment, I would like to conclude on maths for today.